found someone that knocks me off my feet.
Yes, forever is possible because you love each other. Forever is possible because it is the will of God. And forever is possible because God's love will complete your love. Ivan and Janelle, let this day be the beginning of forever.
It's all because of you. It's better than it's ever been, 'cause we can talk it through.
My favorite line was, "Can I call you sometime?" It's all you had to say
To take my breath away. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night.
'Cause whatever I do,
It's just got to be you. My life has just begun. I finally found.
Janelle, today is a very special day. Long ago, you were just a dream and a prayer. Thank you for being what you are to me. Before these witnesses, I vow to love you and care for you as long as we both shall live.
Did I keep you waiting? I apologize.
baby, that's fine.
I will wait.
Ivan, you are God's gift to me. One of the greatest things that ever happened in my lifetime. I see in you my hopes and my dreams, my frustrations and my fears. You are my perfect half, my lover and my best friend. I will love you, Ivan, all the days of my life.
This is it. Oh.